Ito guys, good morning. Ito na yung last disembarkation ko. Nag-sign off kami sa Shanghai Airport. So thank you God, nakasurvive for how many years. Ito yung mga samahan ko sa barko. Thank you sa support, amigo, on board. Thank you, nakasurvive sila, nakasurvive din. Hindi basta-basta yung trabaho sa barko. So ito si second engineer, engine cadet, future officer sa engine. This is future officer for AB, for officer. This is AB 10, and this is OS, and this is also OS. Then this is engine training, future officer, and then the cadet, my right hand. So thank you so much, sa support cadet. Thank you as a third officer. Thank you. This is my last sign off. I will be magsisettle na ako as a negosyante. Start a small business muna, small business. Tsaka balang araw mapapakita ko sa inyo yung business ko. Magsisimula muna ako sa maliit na negosyo, hindi na ako magsisiman. Okay, thank you so much Lord, binigyan mo ng pagkakataon na makasampa ng barko. For how many years nagiging third officer ako, at saka salamat at wala mga aksidente na nangyari sa pagiging official ko at sa mga kasamahan ko since I'm on board, and now magiging maliliit na negosyante muna. Thank you so much.